Our massage therapy, our chiropractic, our acupuncture and Chinese medicine students all begin their internships at one of 4 on-site clinics. These on-site clinics provide a wide variety of care opportunities for our interns, from team-based athlete care to pediatric to general practice, all of it being hands-on under direct supervision and mentorship of experienced clinicians. For other programs, they may get to experience clinical skill building at an on-site clinic, or they may get this experience off-site, but I can guarantee it's the hands-on experience that is a hallmark of the Northwestern Health Sciences University instructional model.
I think the on-campus clinics really give you the opportunity to become your own person as a provider. If you were unable to do that, you would lose a lot of the chance to take risks. You get to think more critically, and you get to say, I also want you to do cupping, for example, or I also want you to go and visit a massage, and you get to work with other professions that way to really build that patient's case into the ideal treatment for them.